On a show called What is Money?, clinical psychologist Jordan Peterson said that the ability to save money is a crucial tool for self-control and future planning. This is why Bitcoin has the potential to revolutionize how money works. What did Peterson have to say about Bitcoin? Is Bitcoin really the future? Stay tuned to find out all the important unanswered questions we need answered. First up, what did Peterson have to say about Bitcoin? According to Peterson, when inflation spirals out of control, those who took pains to delay their present gratifications are punished by your choices. On the other hand, Bitcoin offers the opposite. He was then joined by Bitcoin businessman Robert Breedlove, and the two continued to talk about money, including the effects of fiat inflation on people who avoid instant gratification and how Bitcoin offers hope for the future. According to Peterson, those who diligently work and save for the future are particularly impacted by hyperinflation. He views them as pillars of society because they are crucial to the security and continuation of civilization. Thus, Peterson explains, it is desirable that people have some faith in the future so that they make decisions in which the delay of their gratifications is morally desirable and intelligent. Inflation affects these people. On the other hand, Peterson knows that one of the benefits of Bitcoin is that it is free from distortions and interference, just like fiduciary money. Thus, cryptocurrencies enable a free market. Peterson also thinks that since Bitcoin distrusts centralized planning, it might be a tool that helps society adapt to the future. It should be noted that Peterson first became involved with Bitcoin in 2019 after leaving the Patreon platform, when he started accepting payments in this digital currency. He also invites Bitcoin promoters to talk to his own podcast. For more information on cryptocurrencies, be sure to subscribe to Oink Oink's official channels. Next up, how did Bitcoin do in the 2022 crypto winter? The second quarter of the year was a bloodbath for Bitcoin. Bitcoin finished Q2 down by 56% with the price drop from $45,000 to $19,900, its worst quarter since Q3 2011. Bitcoin is currently experimenting with its $20,000 level, which is a critical zone. The price of Bitcoin decreased by 37% in June. However, the numbers alone are not all that depressing. The spot-based Bitcoin ETF applications from Bitwise and Grayscale were also predictably rejected in June, which was then followed by Grayscale's promised legal action. The collapse of Terraform Labs' UST stablecoin and Three Arrows Capital also seem to have affected other cryptocurrency businesses, as Vault, a different lender and trading platform, has suspended all withdrawals, trading, and deposits due to financial challenges with the current market. During the second quarter of the 2022, Bitcoin began at $45,000 and fell to below $20,000 before regaining its key $20,000 price level just in time to close June above it. The coin needs to break above $20,500 and remain above $22,000 to clear any potential short-term downside risk. Overall, according to the most recent Arcane Research Weekly report, this drop marked a historic quarter for the Bitcoin price, and we have to go back 11 years to find a more brutal quarter. Bitcoin finished the quarter just under $20,000, down 56%. Next off, how likely is Bitcoin going to hit $100,000 in the near future? It's been a rocky start to the year for Bitcoin, but experts still say it will hit $100,000, and that it's more of a matter of when, not if. It seems that everyone that wants to be involved in crypto is hesitant to increase their holdings right now. Bitcoin might be poised to enter a trading range that could see it trade between $20,000 and $25,000 zone, says Edward Moya, a senior market analyst at Broker Oanda. Despite the turbulence and recent price decline, a lot of experts still believe that Bitcoin will eventually surpass the $100,000 threshold, though they have different predictions for when that will happen. The most extreme crypto skeptics say Bitcoin will tank to as low as $10,000 in 2022, but a middle ground might be to say the cryptocurrency can still climb to $100,000 like many experts predicted late last year, just on a slower timeline. What I expect from Bitcoin is volatility in the short term and growth in the long term, says Kiana Daniel, founder of Invest Diva and author of Cryptocurrency Investing for Dummies. With Bitcoin about to take off on yet another potential bull run, the opportunity to profit has never been greater. And with Bitcoin price expected to reach $100,000 to as much as $1 million per BTC, it's never too late to get started trading Bitcoin and earn a fortune. Next up, what makes Bitcoin a great investment? The overwhelming performance of Bitcoin as a currency and investment has attracted traditional and institutional investors alike. Is Bitcoin a good investment? To be fair, it offers you several advantages over traditional investments. Due to the widespread establishment of trading platforms, exchanges, and online brokerages, Bitcoin is arguably one of the most liquid investment assets. Bitcoin can be quickly and easily exchanged for cash or other assets, such as gold, with incredibly low fees. Bitcoin is a fantastic investment vehicle if you're looking for quick returns due to its high liquidity. Due to their high market demand, digital currencies may also be a long-term investment. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency trading is relatively young. New coins are becoming mainstream on a daily basis. This newness brings unpredictable swings in price and volatility, which may create opportunities for massive gains. Unlike world currencies, which are regulated by their governments, Bitcoin is simply immune to inflation. The blockchain system is infinite, and there is definitely no need to worry about your cryptos losing its value. Bitcoin is peer-to-peer and open, yet secure and nearly frictionless. Bitcoin allows exchanging value over the internet without any sort of intermediary, and it gives its users access to their balance through a password known as a private key. So it's private, secure, and at the same time open. There are no boundaries to Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, no exchange values, and no third-party interventions. Bitcoin allows seamless transactions across nations, with the ledger getting maintained at the back end. Next up, is cryptocurrency getting worldwide adoption? If this is your first crypto market downturn, it can certainly be scary. However, it has happened before. In 2018, 2015, and 2013, this market was declared to be dead, but it later recovered stronger each time. Like the internet before it, crypto innovation marches on regardless of market cycles. From where we are sitting, cryptocurrency seems more inevitable than ever. Bitcoin has gained widespread acceptance and is now held by institutions, corporations, nations, and millions of people. DeFi has established the framework for a decentralized, internet-based financial system. The groundwork has been done for Web3 and a user-owned internet, with a wide range of use cases and development. NFTs have given rise to multi-billion-dollar industries in gaming and the arts. DAO treasuries currently manage nearly $10 billion and are only beginning. The world stage has seen the practical use of cryptocurrencies, with millions of dollars raised for Ukraine after a Russian invasion. Even the most ardent critics have changed their minds regarding crypto. Digital currencies are being investigated by 9 out of 10 central banks, and JP Morgan analysts have dubbed them as a preferred alternative asset class. In addition to Twitter, Spotify, TikTok, and Instagram integrating NFTs, Facebook changed its name to Meta, and Google and Microsoft are both dipping their toes into Web3. In the long run, it appears that the proliferation of the financial internet is a function of time rather than central bank policy. Next up, is Bitcoin the inevitable future? As financial institutions include Bitcoin in their balance sheets, and El Salvador formally recognizes Bitcoin as legal tender, it appears that Bitcoin will eventually replace paper money, or at the very least, become a widely used store of value. Risk-averse investors are still hesitant to purchase Bitcoin, much less any other cryptocurrency, given the market's extreme volatility. Since Bitcoin is decentralized, it has a much more sound monetary policy than any government. Since the parameters of the code determine Bitcoin's monetary policy, ARK Invest CEO Cathie Woods refers to Bitcoin as a rules-based monetary system. Investors are looking for alternative investments to hedge against inflation, as governments are printing more money than ever as a result of the pandemic. Many are using Bitcoin to do this, which will promote a long-term adoption of cryptocurrencies. As government entities work out a legal framework and a solid taxation system, cryptocurrencies could find their way into the digital wallets of many U.S. consumers on a large scale. But even though Bitcoin became legal tender in El Salvador in 2021 and the Central African Republic in 2022, the U.S. isn't likely to follow suit anytime soon. With cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin making waves in this digital era, it is important for businesses to realize its significance and stay equipped to leverage its many benefits. Bitcoin is a good indicator of the crypto market in general, because it's the largest cryptocurrency and the rest of the market tends to follow its trends. The growth of cryptocurrency has been skyrocketing for several years now, and the hype around it is not likely to end very soon. Do you think Bitcoin is the future of money? What will be the value of Bitcoin in the next 5 years? Make sure to let us know your thoughts down below. Thanks for watching.